Hiccups. Little Bear was happy. Father Bear was home. He was in his chair reading. Cat, duck, hen, and Little Bear were playing with the seashells. They were trying to hear the ocean. "I hear it," said Cat. "So do I." "I do too," said Hen. "I do too," said Little Bear. He said again. "You have the hiccups," said Cat. "Have some water, Little Bear," said Mother Bear. So Little Bear had some water. But he did not stop hiccuping. "Hello, everyone." Owl was at the door. "Hello, Owl," said Mother Bear. "You're the very one for us. You're always so wise. Water will not stop Little Bear's hiccups. What can we do?" "Well now," said Owl, "water is very good, but he must hold his breath too." Said Little Bear. "How can I hold my breath too?" "You can," said Owl. "Try." Little Bear did as Owl said. "See," said Little Bear, "no more hiccups." He was hiccuping again. "This always works," said Cat, and he gave Little Bear a slap on the back. "Oof," said Little Bear. "That's not any good." "Someone is by the door," said Cat. "Someone is coming in." Little Bear laughed. "Look at that," he said. "It's only Duck and Hen." "Did we make the hiccups go away?" asked Duck. "No, you did not," said Little Bear. Father Bear roared. This was too much noise here. "Who is making all that noise?" He looked at Owl, Cat, Hen, and Duck. "How can I read with all that noise?" he asked. As he looked at Little Bear. "Noise?" said Little Bear. "I was only hiccuping." "What was that?" said Father Bear. "Hiccuping," said Little Bear. "I was only hiccuping." Father Bear laughed. "Hiccuping?" he said. "I can't hear any hiccups." "But I was hiccuping," said Little Bear. "All right," said Father Bear. "Hiccup for me." But Little Bear could not do it. "Come now," said Father Bear. 1, 2, 3, hiccup. No, Little Bear could not do it. "Well, well," said Father Bear. "I guess he can't hiccup any more." "Why should he?" said Mother Bear. "Who wants hiccups anyway?" said Hen. "That's right," said Cat and Duck. "Who wants hiccups?" Owl said, "You can still stop them my way." Little Bear didn't really try. They all laughed, and Owl laughed too. "You just have to know how to do it," said Owl. "That's right," said Father Bear. "You just have to know how to do it."